Hello everyone. Welcome to our Data Science and Artificial Intelligence MCQ series. So let's get started. How can you return multiple values from a function? The correct option is option D, both B and C using tuple and list. Functions can return multiple values by packing them into a tuple or a list. What keyword is used to inherit a class? The correct option is option D, class, subclass. In Python, you inherit a class by passing the parent class as a parameter in the class definition. What does *args allow a function to do? The correct option is option B, accept multiple positional arguments. *args allows you to pass a variable number of positional arguments to a function as a tuple. What is the purpose of *args in a function? The correct option is option D, to accept variable keyword arguments. **kw, args, captures variable keyword arguments in the form of a dictionary. What is method overriding in Python? The correct option is option C, redefining a parent class method in a child class. Method overriding means providing a new version of an inherited method inside a subclass. Which built-in function is used to get the memory address of an object? The correct option is option C, id. The id function returns a unique identifier for the object, typically its memory address.